booger in my nose again. I think I have to go home and freaking blow my nose, dude. I gotta go home. I gotta go home now. Blow my nose. Cause it's like, hey man, when you wanna be all freaking booger over here and stuff, and yeah. What can I talk about that's interesting, huh? I don't freaking know. I'm thinking about doing a wheelie, but I'm scared. Cause I'm not good at wheelies yet. And it's scary. I'm gonna try it the other way. I'm gonna try a second gear one. Cause I always do it in first gear and it's scary. I know I'm not gonna give it enough gas. I didn't do it. I think my clutch is slipping, man. Definitely slipping. I'm gonna not do that. I'm gonna not try anymore. Try a little first gear, see. I'm gonna try it again in first gear. More gas, man. No, I'm not giving it enough gas, man. I'm so scared. More gas. Should I try it again? I think I want to try it again. I want to get it off the ground. Okay. More gas. More gas. Okay. I'm good. I'll try it again. More gas. I need to give it more gas. Like, I need to hold the clutch in longer, but when I try to hold the clutch in longer, I let it out too slow. I need to change my clutch because it's definitely slipping, and freaking practice more. The next video is probably going to be me changing my clutch. So yeah, if you enjoy watching people work on stuff, probably like that video. I'm sorry, I'm so bad at wheelies. I really wish I was good at wheelies so I could do them, and I would look, like the video would be more entertaining, you know, because I could do a pop a little wheelie every once, pop a little pop pow, a little pop pow every once in a while. Squirrels. What are we gonna do? Where are we gonna go? I don't know. All I want to do is hit a twisty road. What? Brother, who's going 38? Brother? What the hell are you talking about? If anything, I'm going 45 because my speedometer is a little bit off. I'm definitely not going 38. I don't know, but what that thing was friggin' doing. It's tripping. That thing tripping. Oh, they having a party over there. I was gonna freaking go do some circle-y poos. Wow. Some pretty flowers that old lady's planting, or whatever she's doing to them. I don't know. Out there with a thing. Ooh, I love it when my bike goes pop, 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 pop. Every time you give it a little gas and then you let off and then you give it a little gas again and then it's like pop, pop, pop. If the speed limit didn't exist, oh yeah, I'd be going like freaking So fast. Put it in silent mode for the doggy. Hey doggy. Paint slippery. Dang man, why are you so dark cloud? Chill. Get out of here. Dang, dude. It's freaking windy. This wind is thick, man. It's making a lot of noise. Like it's not, the wind isn't blowing very hard, but it's hitting me hard when I go fast. Everybody better be turning right at the next light. Freaking hate these tar snakes, especially when they put them perpendicular with the road. Parallel, yeah, parallel, not perpendicular. Perpendicular is good because you're only on it for like a split second, but when they're parallel they like to go all the way down the freaking road. Hey dude, going fast. It's a little slippery, especially on when like in the turns. Man, what the, where did all this traffic come from? You should be gone. I was just sitting at a red light and sitting behind somebody that was turning left. You guys are still here. Whee! I can go like 1,000,005 miles an hour around this corner. Until they put all these tar snakes down. Now I can only go 1,000,000 miles an hour. Oh, look at the nature. The beautiful green stuff. All the leaves. Leaves. Is that a moped or a motorcycle? That's a moped. But he still gets a wave because it's huge. I'll wave to a little moped rider too. I just got hit in the face with a cotton ball. I've been freaking out here chilling, I don't even know how long, like an hour or two, and I haven't sweated one drop. Yeah, I'm a Harley brother. Hell yeah, brother. Just how I like it. And in this one we chill because there's an intersection there and you can't see where the people are coming. Oh, it's so, I don't like it. Every time I go over one of these things it's like I'm slippery. The faster you go over it though, the less it affects you. So you just gotta go as fast as you can and hope to not slip. I'm just kidding, that's bad advice. Don't do that. I'm going to get pizza! Yeah! And I just remembered that it's bike night tonight at Cycle Gear. I tried to film the way here, but my GoPro was like, I'm not gonna record anymore. So we got pizza, and now we go to Cycle Gear to eat it in front of a bunch of people. Ouch. Sorry, bike. A spider web, brother. Just cleaned my bike yesterday. Yay, GoPro turned off again because it's so smart. Such a good camera. And Honda Civic is just like, stay on, GoPro, please. Brother, what the We made it, and the GoPro's recording for the third time. Okay, I eat my pizza now. Goodbye. So we went to bike ride to Cycle Gear, and I found one of my friends was there. He was like, hey, and I was like, oh yeah, I do have friends. And then I ate my pizza, and it was cool, and it was good. It was a little cold because I didn't order from the closest place because I forgot that it was bike night. And then I was like, oh yeah, after I ordered the pizza. Ooh. Whee! I love traction control wrists. Thank you, wrist. Thank you, brain. Thank you, bike. I love you. Thank you for watching. Dude, I saw the sand there as I was going over it, and I was like, oh, I'm finna slide. And then I was like, that was fun. But a little scary at the same time, just a little tiny bit. So like, don't do that. If you see sand, avoid it. If you enjoyed the video, like I enjoyed my pizza, like it. Like the video if you love the video. Love the video if you like the video. If you hate the video, more videos every Saturday.